Have you ever had a day when nothing seemed to go right? But what if I told you someone found a secret way to stay happy, even when things got messy? Curious? Stick around, because today we're going to find out Mia's secret in be happy in every situation. It was a bright sunny morning in Rainbow Town. Mia, our cheerful little friend with sparkly hazel eyes, was ready for the best day ever. Or so she thought.
Yay! It's picnic day at school. I can't wait to eat yummy sandwiches and play with my friends.
But then, the moment she stepped out of bed.
Ouch! That hurt.
Still, Mia smiled and said,
It's okay. It's still going to be a great day. Oh no, my favorite peanut butter sandwich.
Would she get upset? No. She quickly made another one with jam and sang a little song while doing it. At school, everyone was buzzing with excitement. Mia and her friends rushed to the playground for the picnic.
Oh, dark clouds. It might rain.
No, our picnic will be ruined.
Some kids started to cry. Some ran for shelter. But Mia stood up and shouted,
Hey! Why don't we have a puddle splash race instead?
A puddle splash race? In the rain.
Why not? Who says fun only happens when it's sunny?
Before they knew it, the rain turned into the best part of their day.
Mia, I heard it rained on your picnic. Are you okay, sweetie?
It was awesome, Mama. We made up a new game and laughed so much. It's all about how you see things, right?
Right, Mia. Happy hearts find sunshine even on cloudy days.
And that's Mia's secret, friends. Happiness isn't about perfect days. It's about choosing to find joy, no matter what. So, next time your sandwich falls, or your plans get washed away, remember Mia's magic trick, smile, stay curious, and make fun out of the messy moments. See you in the next adventure, friends. Bye-bye.